Hi, it's Sylvia here with Vintage Kitchen Vixen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a shredded salad with a spicy peanut dressing. Now, a couple of years ago, my mom came over and she brought a bunch of vegetables with her, and she pulled this thing out of her purse. Now what this is, it is a julienne slicer. It's kind of like a V slicer. In fact, it's made by a company that makes V slicers, but I love it. I use it almost all the time. She brought that out, and then she started shredding beets, potatoes, zucchini, cucumber, put everything in a bowl. Actually, the potatoes first, she soaked the potatoes in cold water after she shredded it, just to draw out some of the starches. And just as a disclaimer, you can eat raw potato, but don't eat large quantities of it, because apparently, everything in moderation. But I eat raw shredded potato in my salads. But yeah, she put everything into a big bowl. She made this creamy German dressing that is typical of her. And she's like, here, bon appetit. And so we ate this massive salad just full of all kinds of vegetables with all kinds of nutritional values and vitamins and minerals. And it was amazing. And for the next 2 months, I brought a salad to work every day, a shredded salad to work every day. I even brought a big jar of dressing and just stored it in the work fridge. So it was one less thing I had to lug every day. But what I would do is that I'd shred all of my vegetables on a Sunday, a bunch of beets, a bunch of carrots, a bunch of potatoes, store that all in the fridge, potato and water, all of that in the fridge, and then Monday morning I'd just put everything into one container and I'd be off. And it's really convenient. Like if you're making burgers, for example, you can just grab some of that shredded carrot and mix it into your burger mix. Or if you're doing a stir fry and you need a little something extra, you can just grab a handful of your shredded vegetables sitting in the fridge. But I love using them for shredded salads. Shredding these vegetables also makes them more digestible and easier to process all those nutrients and so forth. One other thing. No, I think that's it. You get one of these, it's pretty simple. You just grate the vegetable. You grate it. Shred, shred, shred.